What's up, everyone? George Bolecki here in the PNC Bank Sports Corner. With Sunday's overtime loss to the Cowboys, the Patriots are now 0-4 at home for the first time in 28 years. When it last happened, Bill Parcells and Drew Bledsoe led the team in Foxborough Stadium. Now it's Bill Belichick and Mac Jones in Gillette. In that 1993 season, the Pats finished just 5-11 overall and 3-5 at home after that terrible start. Since Gillette Stadium was built in 2002 through last season, they've gone an amazing 125-27 along with 19 home playoff wins. Even in a season last year without fans in the stands, the Pats finished 5-3 in Foxborough. Now they're 2-4 overall, with 3 of those losses coming by just 1 possession. Now the past doesn't determine the future, but luckily the Patriots host the Jets this Sunday, who have not won in Gillette since 2011. And also are off to a 1-4 start, and with the Pats beating them by 19 points back in Week 2. PNC Bank, helping to make banking easier.